Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy Bitcoin on your Coinbase mobile app step by step. Our first step being that you open up Coinbase and simply click on this buy option right here. Once you've clicked on buy, you select the assets you wish to buy. You could purchase any of these assets as well, so you click on buy Bitcoin and you're taken to the menu where you can input the amount of BTC you'd like to buy. So let's say I would love to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin, and $10 worth of Bitcoin can be paid with, if you click on add payment method, you select the payment method which you have added before, or you just input a new payment method onto your Coinbase account. And once you've successfully linked your card, you simply put in the amount you wish to buy and click on preview. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy Bitcoin on your Coinbase mobile app, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.